How to stop Reddit emails. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this Reddit tutorial, you would learn how you can stop Reddit emails. So kindly watch till the end. The first step is for you to log in into your Reddit account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, move to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. Then once you've done that, a page will be displayed. On this page, scroll down until you can see the settings option and then you click on it. Then once you're on the settings page, you can see the different settings. You can see account settings, get premium, change app icons, the avatar. Scroll down until you can see your email. All right, manage emails or email settings. Just scroll down until you can see it. If you cannot see it on this page, the next one is for you to scroll back up and click on account settings. All right. And then once you're on your account settings page, scroll down until you can see contact settings, and then under it you'll see two options: manage notifications, manage emails. So click on manage emails and then go ahead to customize this by putting all of this off, by turning it off. This way you'll be able to unsubscribe from all emails, or you can just go to the bottom part of the screen and select unsubscribe from all emails by putting this toggle on, and then automatically every other um every other message from Reddit to your email will be turned off as well. And like this, you would stop receiving emails from Reddit. It is that simple. So you can turn it on, you can turn it off. So by turning it off, you will no longer receive emails from Reddit. That is how to do it. That is how you can stop Reddit emails. Thank you for watching and have a good day.